Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a viral mermaid entering the water video in just a few clicks. And yes, it's super easy, no editing skills needed. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, just open Hailuo AI. And if you don't have it yet, just head over to Google Play Store and search for Hailuo AI and just install it. And once it's installed, just open it up. Now, if you are new here, you will need an account. The fastest way is to sign in with your Google account. Just one tap and done. And here's the good news. Hailuo will give you 300 free credits right away, so you can start creating without paying a cent. And of course, if you want to keep using it after that, there's an option to subscribe. Next, once you are logged in, just tap on template, this one, and then search for Mermaid Awakening, this one. This is the one that will give us the cinematic underwater interest effects. Next, just tap on it. And then just try now. And here's where the fun begins. Just upload a photo of yourself. Click on it. And then choose album. And then just upload your photo. Like this. It could be a clear selfie or even a full body shot if you want the effect to look more realistic. When it's uploaded, just tap on generate and let Hailuo work its magic. And okay, let's play the video. And wow, look at that. You have just turned yourself into a stunning mermaid gracefully entering the water like this. And it's all in under a minute. The details, the animations, the colors, it's giving total fantasy vibes. And okay, that's it. You have got your own viral worthy mermaid video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.